December 21, 1614. A group of Japanese left Japan to escape persecution of Christians, and they arrived in Manila on that day, December 21, 1614, 411 years ago. One of those Japanese who arrived in Manila was Justo Takayama and his family. And 44 days after, Justo died of natural causes, February 3, 1615. Takayama was a samurai, a shogun. And at the time, the samurai enjoyed a good life. They have properties, they have status in society. But because he became Christian, and during the persecution of Christians, he had to leave Japan. If you are passing by Plaza Dilao near Philippine Columbian, you will see there a statue of a samurai. Unfortunately, skyway was built around that area, and the statue could no longer be seen clearly. But we have a replica here in the sanctuary. Why? Because Justo Takayama is now a blessed. He was beatified in 2017 in Japan, and it only needs one more miracle, verified miracle, for Takayama to become saint. That's why if you are in need of miracle, a terminal illness, pray to him. Pray to Blessed Justo Takayama. Who knows, you may be the reason why he would be canonized. Now, today is the anniversary of their arrival in Manila. And here is an example of someone who had to sacrifice his own plans. He had to sacrifice his own properties, give up his own properties, and leave Japan because he wanted to remain Christian. That was the price he had to pay for following the Lord. Today in the Gospel, another man was asked to sacrifice his own plan. Joseph, the husband of Mary. Narinig natin ang kanyang kwento. May kasintahan siya, si Maria. Pero natagpuang si Maria ay nagdadalang tao. He wanted to leave Mary to spare her from execution. But in a dream, the Lord revealed to him his plan. And when he woke up, he followed God's plan. What was the price that Joseph had to pay in order to follow the Lord's will? His ambition, his plan, his family plan. Meron na siguro silang pangarap ni Maria. Pangarap bilang mag-asawa, pangarap bilang mga magiging magulang. Pero kinakailangang isuko nila yung pangarap na iyon para sundin ang kalooban ng Diyos. Today, we are being presented with two people, Blessed Justo Takayama and Saint Joseph. People who give up so much for the sake of discipleship. People who paid the price in order to remain followers of the Lord. It was not easy for Blessed Takayama to leave Japan. It was not easy for Joseph to leave his own plan, to set aside his own plan. But no matter how difficult it was, these two were willing to pay the price to remain faithful to the Lord. My dear brothers and sisters, in a few days we will be celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. Normally, when someone celebrates birthday, we are the ones giving gifts to the birthday celebrant. Today also is Father Biel's birthday, so anong regalo nyo? Pero kasi sa tayo baliktad Si Jesus ang nagbe-birthday, tayong humihingi ng regalo. Si Jesus ang nagbe-birthday, tayo ang may hinihiling. But today, I invite you to ask yourselves, what does the Lord want you to give as your gift? What price are you willing to pay to follow the Lord? What are you ready to give to the Lord, the King, the birthday celebrant? Let us ask the prayer of Blessed Justo Takayama and Saint Joseph, that we too may always be ready to pay the price. Amen.